Here are some interesting facts about the world. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and is the only known planet that can support life. The Earth is estimated to be about 4.54 billion years old. The world's population is currently over 7.9 billion people and is projected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050. The largest ocean in the world is the Pacific Ocean, which covers over 60 million square miles. The highest point on Earth is Mount Everest, which stands at 29,029 feet, 8,848 meters, above sea level. The lowest point on Earth is the Challenger Deep in the Mariana Trench, which is over 36,000 feet, 10,973 meters, deep. The world's largest desert is the Sahara Desert in Africa, which is roughly the size of the United States. The Amazon rainforest in South America is the world's largest rainforest, covering an area of over 2.1 million square miles. The world's largest country by land area is Russia, while the most populous country is China. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the world's largest coral reef system, covering an area of over 133,000 square miles. These are just a few facts about the world. There is a lot to learn and discover about our planet. Brief overview of world history. Ancient history. This period spans from the emergence of human civilization to the fall of the Western Roman Empire in 476. Key events during this period include the development of writing, the creation of early empires like Egypt and Persia, and the emergence of great philosophers and thinkers like Confucius, Buddha, and Socrates. Medieval period. This period begins with the fall of the Western Roman Empire and lasts until the Renaissance in the 15th century. This period is marked by the spread of Christianity, the rise and fall of various empires like the Byzantine Empire and the Mongol Empire, and the development of new technologies such as the printing press. Renaissance and early modern era. This period spans from the 15th century to the late 18th century. It is characterized by the rediscovery of classical Greek and Roman culture, the scientific revolution, the age of exploration, and the growth of global trade and commerce. Industrial revolution. This period begins in the late 18th century and lasts until the early 20th century. It is marked by the rise of new technologies like the steam engine and mass production, which transformed the way goods were produced and sold. World Wars and the Cold War. These events dominated the 20th century, with the two world wars leading to the deaths of millions of people and the Cold War shaping international relations for decades. Key events during this period include the Russian Revolution, the rise of totalitarian regimes like Nazi Germany and the Soviet Union, and the development of nuclear weapons. Contemporary era. This period spans from the end of the Cold War to the present day. It is marked by the rise of globalization, the growth of new technologies like the internet and social media, and the increasing interconnectedness of the world. Key events during this period include the fall of the Soviet Union, the 9/11 attacks, and the ongoing debates over issues like climate change, human rights, and international trade. If you enjoy the video, share and subscribe.